YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, welcome back. This is the day. Merry Christmas Eve. So this video, like I said, is coming out on Christmas Eve. In my background, here's my Toyota CELICA GTS, brand new, freshly painted. Looks amazing. Absolutely so good. We are on our way to go pick up my Toyota MR-2 Spyder 2ZZ swap, C60 swap, turboed with a Batmobile turbo. Freshly painted. So we're gonna go pick up this car. I am just outstandingly excited. I'm so excited. The car's been done for about 2 weeks now. I just haven't gotten around to picking it up. So I'm really excited. I'm excited to bring it home. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna bring the CELICA outside of the garage and bring the MR2 into the garage and park my baby in here. I won't wash it for like 2 months. I'm just gonna have it sit in the garage and let that paint cure. It's, as you guys know, it's Christmas Eve, so it's colder time of year, so I wanna make sure that paint cures really hard, and then I will end up putting a clear bra on it. But let's go ahead and get in the Evo. I got my girlfriend with us. She's gonna be driving the Evo back as we take the two cars, just like how we dropped it off a couple months ago. Just absolutely so excited. So let's go ahead and jump in the Evo and head off to get the MR2. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is gonna be a good, I cannot wait. You guys, oh, I'm so excited. I remember when I got this car painted. I love picking cars up when they get painted. It's like one of the most exciting feelings ever. So I'm just really excited. Let's go ahead and hit it. Boys, we're the boys. Guys, I'm so excited. We gotta do a monster, just like old times. Oh, so good. What was that? Yep, let's go. All right, so we've made it here. Oh, there it is. Hot damn. You see it? Looks brand new. It looks brand new. All right, so we've made it here. Giving her the Evo keys. Hey. So excited. I'm loving this new camera. So nice. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Wow. Look at this. What? Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. Look at that. Look at this.
It just glistens in the rain.
So they did end up painting this black. I love that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, it is wet though. Oh, the roof looks sick. I love it. Look at this. That looks so good. I don't know what that is. The skirts are perfect. Everything looks perfect. I'm gonna switch out the hardware. As you guys can see right there, I'm gonna switch out that to black. Do that. Oh, the front looks good.
That hood, that's the biggest.
Yeah, wow, what a big hood. The hood's totally different. Remember there was a scratch on the hood? Oh, they buffed it all out. It's all smooth now. I need to put the lens covers on. He said they're in the car. They did a really good job with matching how I had the lines before. So I really like that a lot. They did a good job with that. That looks, it's all brand new. That's so crazy. Looks so good. Wow. And I really like that they even painted this black too for me. Yeah, that looks awesome. They did such a good job with that. They kind of made their own little thing right here. If you remember last time there was a big door line on here. There's a big door, the dent on the door, they took that out. It looks so good. Here we film. Yeah. What do you guys think? What do you think of it? This is such a big difference. They even cleaned the interior. That's nice. They took care of me. They took care of me. I don't have my side markers on because I'm going to do an install video on how to put those side markers on. I'll do an install video how to put the C1 light covers on. Man. Wow. What a totally different car. Come over here. I'm just in love with the front. I think the front looks so good. The front looks so dang good. Wow. Oh, and the mirrors, I don't know if you recall, the mirrors are always bad. Even since I bought the car originally, the mirrors are a little bit clear coated, a little bit faded. they put a little bit of 3M tape right here to hold the skirt up. That's kind of cool. I like that they did that. And they did it here on the side too. I like that they did that. I will switch out the hardware. On the rear, they didn't put any hardware in it. That's fine. But the wing is perfect too. They did a really good job with the install of the wing. I'm upset. I'm gonna get a lip spoiler. I think I'll bring it back to him and have him do a lip spoiler. Put a little lip wipe here like I did on the MR-2. I think that looked really good. But this is awesome. I've had this car for so many years. I always wanted to get it painted. I finally got it painted. I love it. All the water actually feeds up on it. Perfect. It looks a lot like how it was before. It's just perfect. So we'll go inside and yeah, I think I'll do another video too of how much it costs to paint this, because people have a lot of questions how much it costs to paint this. So we'll go ahead and head inside. Yeah. So it's all done. I'm ready to pick it up. I actually have all the paperwork right here, but I'm not going to show you guys how much it costs. I'm going to do that on a separate video. My girlfriend is going to drive the Evo. Wait, will you film real quick to make sure the car starts?
Yeah.
Yeah. Will you hold this and film me? So, remember the e-brake wasn't tight? Here's the e-brake. The wheels are really dirty. Wow, that door handle's nice. All right, here we go.
Moment of truth.
Jumper cable. Let's go ask him. I'll bring the Evo around. Or maybe he has a triple charger. Oh my gosh, that's so dirty. I just cleaned it. Maybe we should go look. It feels like a newer car. It feels tight. I love it. So what happens is when you get your car painted, they usually remove a lot of the panels. So they took the front. As you guys saw in the other video, they took the rear bumper off, the front bumper off, the side skirts off, the hard top off, the wing off. They took all that off. So it's interesting that it makes it a lot better when they do that. It feels tighter. So good. She's badass. What a badass chick. You gonna send it?
No, not yet.
She's cold.
Freezing.
Ooh, that Evo is so good. Best daily driver, seriously. Love it. Positive and negative. Oh. I think, right? Oh, no, other way around.
Yeah.
Good catch. Interesting. I think, oh no, that is right, yeah. Oh, yeah, that is right. Okay, I was gonna make sure they had the battery on right. Oh. All right, we got it. this is what they got. They ordered a new door handle right here. Oh, that's so nice. And there goes my buddy Clayton. All right, so we're off. Man, it feels so good to be back in this car. It is such a little roadster. Oh, it's awesome. The car looks great. What a good job. They did such a good job with it. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It looks really, really nice. All right, so I haven't filmed, there's the Evo, but I haven't filmed like the last hour. This pickup did not go well. The MR-2, I think they pulled on a coolant line and it could have cracked the coolant line because there was a coolant leak. So I had to pull over, buy coolant. I haven't used any of it yet, but I had a water bottle, so I filled up the MR-2 with a water bottle. And it's, yeah, because the car was wanting to overheat. So there's like a coolant line, which is frustrating. The battery died when I pulled over because the temperature was starting to rise and I wanted to look. So the battery died again because I hadn't charged fully enough. So we'll see if it's charged now. Man, I'm really nervous though. I hope I can make it home. We got a little bit, we did pretty good. So it has not been the smoothest pickup. Believe it or not, a police officer came over and brought us jumper cables, and he used the police vehicle, the Interceptor, to jump the MR-2. So that was really nice. So he helped jumpstart the MR-2, and now we're on our way back. The temperature currently right now is sitting at 72 degrees Celsius, which is fine. But there was a visible coolant leak coming off of one of the turbo lines. I have not had any issues with this turbo at all since I've installed it, and this is the first issue. But see, now it's going up to 73. This is making me nervous because I got a hill. But if anything, I can pull over and put more coolant in it to keep the temperature low. That's the main thing you want to do on 2ZZs, is keep them oiled and keep the temperatures low. You'll be good then. So I got about 1 to 2 miles left, and then I get home. But man, what an eventful trip this has been. So the car battery died. The car wanted to overheat because it needed more coolant because there was a cracked coolant line. Then the battery died again, and then now we're finally going to be able to put it in the garage. So I'm very thankful to just get this car in the garage and give it some love. But it looks amazing. I'll do some videos of us driving, or I'll do a video of the car in the garage and just kind of give you guys an overhaul of what the paint looks like. Okay, so we've made it back into the garage. The CELICA's right here. I'm gonna back the CELICA out and bring the MR-2 in. What an adventure. So picked up the car, car looks great. The battery died, so we had to get jumped there. Then we drove the car and wanted to overheat because there's a coolant line. I saw the crack on the coolant line. I saw it shooting a little bit of coolant out, which led me to say, oh, it needs coolant in it. So we put water in it, which I did. It cooled the car down totally fine. But the car wouldn't start again because it needed a battery jump. Had a police officer jump the car, awesome, and then just drove it all the way back, and it was pretty far drive, and the car was fine. Stayed at about 73 to 75 degrees Celsius. The car can start by itself now. The battery's fully charged. So what I'm gonna do is back the CELICA out and then bring the MR-2 in, and then show you guys the MR-2 and then wrap up the video. So, oh man, what an adventure. Car looks great though, and you gotta work hard for everything. My heart was beating through this video. I was a little upset at part of it, but it all worked out, and now I cannot wait to bring the car back into the So that's it. I was finally able to get the MR-2 in show quality. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is insane. That is just amazing. Look at that. It's like a little pocket race car. That's so cool. What a collectible. That is awesome. In love. Absolutely in love. It's missing the front badge, so I'll put the front badge back on. Man, they did a good job. I'm missing the front badge, so they'll put the front badge back on. The hood is perfect. I'm gonna put some side markers on. I'll put C1 headlight covers on when those are redone. He's gonna repaint those, they didn't come out that well. But that'll make the front end look a lot darker and better. Now, if you come over here, the mirrors are just flawless. That is awesome. That looks so good. I love it. The windshield frame is gorgeous as well. Totally transforms the car. Looks very NSXy in my opinion. But it looks great. The fenders are good. Everything's really flush on here. He smoothed out this door. It must have been so much work, but he smoothed out the door. You can see my reflection. I cannot believe there's no dent in there. So there was like a crease in there. It's all gone. It's all smooth now. Perfect. The C1 side scoops are gorgeous. The hardtop is brand new paint. Gorgeous. See, it's dirty because of the drive, but that's okay. I'm not gonna wash this for about I'd say about a month or two. I'm just gonna have it sit in a garage and let it cure. That is crazy. Do you guys remember the back of this? It looks so bad. So wow, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I will show you guys the coolant leak on there. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick. The wing is gorgeous. I've never had the wing professionally painted. Believe it or not, it was always me who painted it. So the wing is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, that looks good. Good, 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 good. This car is sick. One of a kind. My girlfriend was saying there's a Porsche next to me, and this car just looks so much crazier than the Porsche. We'll go ahead and pull open the deck lid. Right there. You can see how incredibly, unbelievably dirty the car got. I'm gonna buy a new intake filter. I'm gonna wash this whole thing. So you guys probably can't really see, but here's the turbo. It's really hot. That's the turbo down there. There's a banjo bolt on it. Right off the banjo bolt is a coolant line. There's a little crack in that coolant line, so I'll fix it. Seems like it's not leaking anymore. So I'm not sure what's up, why it stopped doing that, but that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know why it stopped doing that. Anywho, that's where that was. The coolant level was low. It's so dirty back here, honestly. It's so insanely dirty. I cannot believe it's because they sanded everything down. Oh, they even fixed this right here. This wasn't show quality right here. This, you could actually see there was, it wasn't the same color, so that looks nice. They fixed that. Wow, everything looks good. Really good. I love that he painted this. It's awesome. All right, so that's it for this video. I finally got the MR-2 painted. It looks insane. What a beautiful car. Man, I've been wanting to do this for like 5 years. It looks so good, so thankful, so happy. Wow, 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 wow. So, Merry Christmas everyone, happy holidays. I hope you have a great Christmas Eve and a great Christmas. But wow, I'm just so happy with the way this car turned out. So much more progress is gonna come on this car. This is probably the one that I'll probably never ever let go. What a cool build. Wow. All right guys, be sure to hit the like button for the new paint job, and I'll see you on the next video.